Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change your name on Subway Surfer. So as you can see, this is the official app of the Subway Surfer, so make sure to download this one, and once I open the app it will take me to the home section of the app. So let it load completely and wait until it is loading, and once it is loaded, so you will see like this interface, tap to play or like any other option. So just click on the setting option on the like upper right corner. So just click on the settings, and once you go into the settings, make sure you are logged in with your like sign in with Apple or like Game Center or Facebook. So make sure you are logged in with any of these accounts, and once you're logged in, just scroll down a little bit and you will see like this option, support contact us. So click on this option, support contact us, and from here like select any of the option, doesn't matter, popular articles. So let's say I select this one, and on here you can select any of these options. Let's say lost progress, non bugs. So just click on this option and scroll down, and here you will see like need more help, chat with us. So just click on chat with us, and they will take you to the support section, and you might find a bot. Like you can read, hi there, I'm tag bot, so please write your problem. And let's say I want to change my name, let's say I write this, and make sure to add some further details and request them to change your name. And let's say you want to talk to a human, and this is a chatbot, so just keep chatting and like tell him that I want to talk to any human. So once you are like chatting with human, they will be able to change your name once, and once they agree, that is how simple and easy process is, like how you can change your name on Subway Surfer.